Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Tuesday, right? Yes, Tuesday. I'm Alyssa, not to be confused with Melissa, at So Fancy, and welcome. I had a piece of tape on me, sorry about that. Happy wedding season, right? We have a new bundle out, which is fun. It's a wedding bundle. It has 42 SVGs in it that you can make everything from ring bearer gifts or shirts to brides. There's a cute husband's little bundle for shirts with Father's Day's coming too, so you can get that with for your husband or something. Hi Donna. I got a new phone so I can kind of see comments. I can't see who's joining as they come in, but if you comment, I see some love. I love that. Love for the wedding bundle. Hi Karen. I'm excited. I can see things now on my phone. So the wedding bundle, 42 SVGs, 5 fonts. So if you know somebody who's getting married and needs, my goodness, you could make so many things with the script fonts. You can do RSVP cards. You could do your wedding invitations even. The foil quill is amazing with the wedding bundle. Hi Sarah, and my friend Sarah's getting married very soon. So you should get this bundle or tell your mom to get it. She just got a new Cameo, so she's a new user, and welcome. So 5 fonts and 3 mock-ups. So if you make wedding products for people for weddings, this is a great bundle for you too. Now, today's project I've now cut twice. If you guys know me, I'm not a crafter at all. I like it. I love how it looks. Not my medium of choice. But I am going to do it today, and I did do it today. I have a ton of scrapbook paper because I keep hoping at some point I'm going to love it more than I do. It's still amazing. I can still do many different things. You all can do many different things with paper, especially with the foil quill. Today's project is not a foil quill. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So the wedding bundle is $16.99, but if you use the code Say Yes by tomorrow, March 11th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you get an extra 15% off, which makes it even more worth it. So again, I've cut this project twice. One time I did one piece, then I did another one just because a couple of the pieces that I did, the size that I did, it's very delicate. And there's a couple of these files within the bundle. So pretty. I don't even know how to explain it except that it's beautiful. I really like color on color monochromatic look. But so this tree, this heart tree, is cut out of paper. And this one I just put on another sheet of paper. But my idea, we have all these little sayings, welcome, to our reception, welcome to our beginning. This is another piece. I have to finish weeding it. But I wanted to put the two of them together to show that you could, look at how pretty that is, right? Put this over the top. So you've got your tree in the background, and you could put this out on a tablescape for a wedding. You could put it up on your wall. So many different options for pieces within this bundle or any of our bundles. They can be used in tandem. They could be used by themselves. This by itself, I think, is beautiful. This is just cut, again, on cardstock, and it's cardstock. I buy the packs from Michael's. You can get them pretty cheap when they're on sale. They come in a bunch of colors. So I just picked one out, measured the inside of my frame. This is an 8.5 by 11 frame, but that's from end to end. So if you just measure the inside, you can, in studio, what I like to do is I'll make a square this size with my shapes, and then I'll put my actual project in the center of it so I can see about how big I want it. I then also laid my word right on top of it. You could do it by the colors and everything else. So I thought this one I didn't even glue down. I just put it on the paper, put the glass down, and put it together. So this is done. this one, I did use, sorry, a little high. I used some double-sided tape, and I didn't even tape it all down because once it goes over the glass, it's going to lay flat. But I did weed this. This took a little bit to get through because it's very intricate, if you can see. Intricate, sorry. Pieces in it. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. There's a wedding cake, there's a bride and groom. There's one that says love. I was going to do that one actually with pink glitter on a t-shirt, but I'm wearing the black t-shirt that I have and it's been washed, so we know that HTV doesn't stick as well to it. So I'll have to wait on that one. But that's one I really want to do because the love with the pink glitter on black, I think would be amazing. I also just have a cutter for sizing, but I'm going to flip you down. One thing too, these are great if you are a paper crafter because you can just get right under when your paper is on your mat. You can just kind of pry it up so it doesn't rip. So I'm going to flip you down. We have to weed the rest of this, and then we're going to take our tape and put it over the top. And again, these are just 2 files that I took from the wedding bundle. I just thought it'd be fun I like to multi-use bundles. Put things together, use fonts. I have a couple plans for the March bundle. But this one I also did a small offset so that the wording would be a little thicker. If you didn't want it thicker, you didn't have to. But this whole thing with a foil quill would be gorgeous. And, you know, right on the paper, invitations you can do with this bundle. There's t-shirts for your bride crew, your bridesmaids. There's card table sayings to put onto your gift table and stuff like that. So there's many different pieces to this bundle that will help if you're getting married. If you're not getting married, these are great for anniversary presents, even for a bridal shower if you know somebody who is getting married and you're looking for a gift. So we just lay our transfer tape on. And I'm sorry I didn't show you cutting this. It did take a little bit for it to cut because there's so many pieces to it and it's so intricate. This one does take a while to cut, and that's okay. I just didn't know if you guys wanted to sit and talk with me while it was cutting that long. But if you do, we could do that next time. The wedding cake one is really cute. Of this paper cutout. And again, it doesn't have to be used with paper. It could be used... These could be made into cards. You could put this on a card for a bride and groom. For our scrapbookers out there, this would be a great... I have a brand new piece of transfer tape, by the way, and a lot of little pieces. There we go. So, there are a lot of different things that you can do with this. And I'm going to put this right on the glass. On the front. I'm not going to put it underneath. I'm going to put it right on the glass. Which I've not done something like this before. But I'm thinking I'm going to love it. I do. If your adhesive doesn't stick, I always like trying to, doing it on an angle with my scraper. because you can just pull it right off as you're we've got a really pretty gift wall sign with 2 of the files from the wedding design, but wedding SVG and font bundle is what it's called. And sorry, my camera's a little backward or turned, but so that's it. So easy. Take a couple of the files. You can use a wedding cake, you can use the bride and groom. What a fun little project, right? So go check out the bundle. Again, it is 15% off of $16.99 through 11:59 p.m. tomorrow night on Eastern Standard Time. 42 SVGs, 5 fonts, and 3 mock-ups. Go check it out. Have a great day. I will see you in a few days. Bye, guys.